step into the Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 24-hour, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.